but start by asking you about the questions that are being raised about the Indian IT services model. We've just seen TCS announce job cuts of 12,000 at this point in time. NASSCOM, as I just pointed out, has talked about rationalization as far as workforce is concerned. What is the problem, Salil? And are you also starting to see some of this trickle into the workforce at Infosys? Will you also be looking at job cuts, job rationalization as well?
So thanks, Shireen, for having me here. It's always good to be on this program. With respect to what we are seeing, last week we announced our results. As you shared, we had growth in the quarter, we had growth year on year. We had strong growth, for example, in financial services, in manufacturing, energy utilities segment that we have. We had good growth in Europe. We had very strong large deals at $3.8 billion, one mega deal as well. And what we see, all of that is coming from, first, there's a strong attention to AI. And there, Infosys has built over the last several years a very strong approach into AI. Today, we have 300 agents which are doing work within our clients. So that gave us a good traction. Second, to do AI well for large companies, there are two big foundational elements. One is data and one is cloud. And both of those are areas where we have tremendous strength. We saw very good growth, for example, on the cloud side. Then what we saw is a lot of clients are selecting Infosys as they go through consolidation decisions. So all of that gave us a good traction and gave us the growth with which we increased our growth guidance for the full year. In terms of recruitment, we had a strong recruitment in the first quarter, over 17,000 employees, both lateral and from colleges. And our plan for the full year is to recruit 20,000 college graduates, and that continues. So all of that is giving us a good view into what is going on, and we continue to see all of that change reflected in how Infosys and clients are working. Some of these things we started quite early, our attention to AI, what we've done with large deals. We also work very closely on programs which are mid-size and small, and of course our attention internally to become more efficient on cost.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.